So a big snowstorm is coming our way in the northeast area, and a lot of people are asking for recommendations as to how to deal with the snowstorm. And one of them is, of course, a question on what kind of snow shovels. And personally, I like this kind. This is plastic, and the reason I like this kind is because they're lightweight. Snow is heavy enough without you using a heavy duty but very heavy snow shovel. So this works best for me, right? And then a lot of people, they can't shovel. They ask, where can I find someone to help me shovel? Well, if you have access to a Ring camera and the Ring app, there are a lot of people offering or looking for snow removal jobs. So you can go to your Ring app and find information that way. All right, so you have a snow blower, and one of the questions asked on the Ring community was, mine is not starting well. I think it's just a minor issue, and I can't start the snow blower. So the easiest way to deal with a snow blower that kind of work, but when you try to start it, it doesn't start. Easiest way is to take the spark plug out, spray a couple of squirts of starting fluid, or I use carb and parts cleaner. You just spray a couple of squirts into there, put the connector back on, and then try to start it. Usually it'll start regardless of whether your carburetor is good or bad. It'll start. If your carburetor is bad, it will stop after running for a little bit. But if your carburetor is okay, then it'll continue to run. So this will help you start your snow blower. Try this. It works a lot of time, just like in the old days when your car doesn't start. Just take off the air cleaner and you spray some starting fluid directly into the engine. So that's one way of doing it. Of course, you can spray cleaner or starting fluid into your carburetor, but then you have to start taking a lot of things off. See the screw here? I used to have a screw. After a while, you lose it. So, you say, how do you take the spark plug off? You get something like this, or you have a ratchet set that has a spark plug removable socket. You can use that, or you can use this 1, 2, 3, and you can remove it. Right? That's all you do. Remove the spark plug. Right? This one is a little foul. You can see it's all dark. Right? Spray a bit of carb cleaner in there. You can wire brush clean your spark plug electrode, and then if you want to, you can check the gap also. But then you're getting into a lot of technical stuff, right? You just want to start the snow blower. You don't want to start tuning up the engine. You can spray clean this also, and then put it back into the engine. Just screw it back in. It doesn't have to be super tight. And plug it back in. Just screw it back in. It doesn't have to be super tight. And plug it back in. And now you're ready to start it. Set your choke to full. Prime it about 5 times. So if you have the Ring doorbell, you can look under the Ring app, and then under neighbors, there are a lot of people looking for work to shovel snow, or there are people looking for info on how to start their snow blowers. And then one person commented, people always wait until the last moment to do things. Yes, that's true.